Good morning, students. So nice, everyone is there. So let us start our English class. Okay, are you ready? Very good. Yes, Nandini is telling yes, ma'am. Very nice. So, students, today already we were discussing about different types of sense words, right? Sense sounds, and today we are going to learn I and K sound words. It's I and K sound words. Now, what are these I and K sound words? It's ink sound words. Ink, I. Now, ink itself is a name of a thing. That is, let us take the first word, that is ink, I N K, and let me make this one I capital because it is the name of a thing. Now, what is this ink? Ink is something which is of blue color. It's a blue color liquid which is being used in a fountain pen. Okay, usually fountain pen used to be used when for last few decades fountain pen was much popular than any type of ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen was later on invented. Okay, invention of new era. Now this is known as fountain pen, and today also very few people who love the antique pieces, they still keep one fountain pen in their collection. I myself, when I was small, we started our first writing with pen with fountain pen, and this is the pen where we have to pour the ink in it and we have to make it ready before going to school every day. You know, two fountain pen used to be there. We used to pour ink in it and we used to make them ready before going to school last night. So we used to take and give time to lots of time and care to our pen also, particular pen. তখনকার দিনে মানে আজকে যেরকম তোমরা চাইলে একটা পেন্সিল চাইলে বাবা চারটে এনে দেয়, at that time it was not like that. Maximum 2 pens, and we used to take care of those things so nicely. ওটা কি কত সুন্দর করে আমরা যত্ন করে রাখতাম. Okay, so you people have to learn those things, that whatever your belongings are there, you have to love them also. Your eraser, your pencil, your pencil box, it should be loved so nicely, it should be cared. ঠিক জায়গায় রাখা, পরিষ্কার করে রাখা, সুন্দর করে রাখা, সাজিয়ে গুছিয়ে রাখা. This is also a type of thing which makes and develops or build up your upbringings and character. If you will be well organized, you will be always neat and clean. যারা নিজেদের জিনিসপত্র সুন্দর করে গুছিয়ে রাখে, সাজিয়ে গুছিয়ে রাখে, পরিষ্কার করে রাখে, তারা কিন্তু নিজেরাও কিন্তু খুব ক্লিন হয়, পরিষ্কার হয়. They always like to be neat and clean and too much organized. ওরা কিন্তু always organized হয়. Okay, so always try to take care of your things. Always try to take care. So we used to use this fountain pens, and fountain pen, if you are going to the museum, you can see that lots of letters can be found written by Mahatma Gandhi, written by Netaji, written by Jawaharlal Nehru, or many political letters. Maybe if you are going to Shantiniketan, you can see lots of poetries and letters written by Rabindranath Tagore. So it was also used fountain pen. Somewhere fountain pen was used in those, and those letters and those scripts were written by fountain pen. Okay, so fountain pen is having a very nice history. It's having a very nice history. So students, today your activity is to go to your parents, sit with your parents or your grandparents. Okay, either বাবা মার সঙ্গে অথবা গ্র্যান্ডপ্যারেন্টস এর সঙ্গে বসে ফাউন্টেন পেন নিয়ে একটা গল্প শুনবে. কি নিয়ে গল্প শুনবে? কি নিয়ে গল্প শুনবে? সবাই নিজের মা বাবার কাছে অথবা দাদু দিদার কাছে, ঠাম্মা দাদুর কাছে, কাউর না কাউর কাছে ফাউন্টেন পেন নিয়ে একটা গল্প শুনবে। ওকে? Okay. So I am still not getting any response. Who is going to do it? Who is going to do this activity? This is an activity, homework. Fountain pen niye ekta golpo, and I am going to ask the story later on. Okay? আমি কিন্তু এই স্টোরিটা কে কি গল্প শুনেছো সেই ফাউন্টেন পেনের গল্প কিন্তু সবার কাছ থেকে একটা করে শুনবো। কে কার কাছে গল্প শুনেছো আর কি গল্প শুনেছো ফাউন্টেন পেনের। ওকে? ভেরি নাইস। Come on. Now let us come to the next INK word. And our next INK word is, this is something which is loved by each woman. Girls love this color. Who will tell me which is the color which is being loved by majority of the girls? Yes, Nandini, very good. It's pink. P-I-N-K. That is the color which is been loved by each of the feminine gender, right? Females love this color. P-I-N-K, pink. Now let's go for the next word. Nowadays, let's come to the digital era. Nowadays, when we want to share something with each other, yes, my favorite color, ma'am, very nice, Afreen, even it is my favorite color. So now if I say that I'm going to send a video on English sound words to you, and maybe your friends want to see it, then during this digital era, what we are going to share with them? We are going to share with them link. Now what is the meaning of this link, beta? Meaning of the link is, it is a word which makes a bridge to connect two different things. It is going to make a bridge. That means you are having the video, and link is a bridge which is connecting your information to someone else gadget, right? And you are sharing it. So link is something which is connecting two different things. Maybe if there is two different incident, they are having link with each other. Incident has been done at two different places, but when you are sharing with one another, then it becomes the bridge, and you two are interlinked with them. So these two are linked with each other. It is acting as a bridge. Okay? So that is known as link. L-I-N-K. So here is I-N-K, here is I-N-K. And next comes number 4. And number 4, we can say it's sink. Okay, now what is the meaning of sink? What is the meaning of sink? That is S-I-N-K, sink. So here we can say that sink is a word which we use in different way. Like if a person is very sad, in the other word, if he is depressed, he is not happy with anything around him. Okay, he is not feeling well with anything. He doesn't want to smile, he doesn't want to talk with people, he doesn't want to go outside from his house. So if he is suffering from loneliness, and day after day for a long time he is behaving in a same manner, then we usually use this word, that is, the person is sinking. That means he is going downwards, going downwards. Sinking means he is going downwards. That means he is going downwards means his mental condition is going downwards. He is not becoming, he doesn't want to behave normally. If, second example, if you are making a paper boat during the rainy season, during monsoon season, we all love to make paper boats and we want to sail them in the puddles, right? What do you mean by puddles? যেখানে অল্প জল জমে যায়, বৃষ্টির সময় যেখানে ছোট ছোট গর্তে জল জমে যায়, রাইট? এখানে ভাঙা আছে রাস্তাটা, এখানে জল জমে গেল, this is called puddles. Now what we do during monsoon season, we make small paper boats and we love to sail them in the puddle, right? For a while it sails, কিছুক্ষণ তো এটা সেল করে, তারপরে বৃষ্টি যখন হচ্ছে উপর দিয়েও জল পড়ছে আর নিচ দিয়েও জল লাগছে, so what is the result? The paper gets wet. এটা তো উডেনের তৈরি নয়, এটা তো পেপারের তৈরি, তাতে কি হয় নিচ দিয়ে জলের জন্য কাগজটা ভিজে যাচ্ছে আর উপর দিয়ে তো বৃষ্টি পড়ছেই, ভিজছে, তাতে কি হচ্ছে paper gets wet, পুরো পেপারটা ভিজে যাচ্ছে, and then after what happens? The paper board নিচের দিকে চলে যাচ্ছে, right? Going downwards, so it is sinking. What it is called? Sinking. So the paper boat sink, the paper boat sink, okay? So going downwards, sink means downwards, so here comes the word sink, right students? There are few more words which I am going to teach you in our next class, and along with that one word of our book also, but that has a very particular meaning which I am going to teach you in our next class. Today we are going to learn ink, I-N-K, ink, that is a blue color solution which is being used in fountain pen, and your activity today is you have to listen one story regarding fountain pen from your parents or your grandparents, okay? Next, number 2, it's pink, P-I-N-K, that is our favorite color, favorite color. Next is link, L-I-N-K, ma'am, one more, 21. Link, L-I-N-K, link, link is connecting each other, that is making a bridge, and last one is ink, that is sink, downwards, right? Okay, so students, you may draw these pictures also so that you can link. Before ink you can draw this fountain pen, and besides sink you can draw this picture so that it may help you to remember very nicely, okay? Let us see now. Animesh Nag, are you present, beta? Animesh Nag, if you are present, please give your attendance. Animesh is in Pine class. They are in Pine? No, they are in Oak. They are in Oak. Animesh and Anurag, are you present in the class, beta? No. Okay, so I can see many of my students are showing in the camera, so I would request each and every one. Here I can see Afrin, please don't write in a plain copy. Is it a plain copy, beta, or 4-line copy? Yes, it is a 4-line copy. Now it's fine. All of you please click one picture and send it to me. That will be good, because with the help of this screen it is not visible properly, okay? I cannot find out whether if you have done any type of silly mistake, so that I can trace and make it correct. Okay, very good Nandini, nice handwriting. Very good, Trishita. Beta, please work on your handwriting, and I and K should be in inverted comma, single inverted comma. Trishita, please rectify your mistake, beta. Next comes Afreen. Very good, Afreen. Afreen, cursive I will touch the red line, upper red line. Cursive I will touch the upper red line. Here comes I. Okay. Here comes, oh sorry. Here comes I. Upper red line it should touch. Please rectify it. Okay. Very good, Ritika. Very good, Ayushman. Excellent. Ayushman, beta drawing guno kore nao. Ekটু ছোট্ট ছোট্ট করে drawing গুলো করে নাও. That will help you when you will learn to understand the fact properly. তোমার নিজের বুঝতে সুবিধা হবে বেটা. Very good. Inakshi, very good. Shomrik, Brotin, very good. Arjo, okay. Rest of the part I will check later on. It's time for next class, so I conclude my class over here. There is some little bit technical problem. Bye beta. Take care.